You're not at the river. Where the heck are you at?
So I just majorly messed up. Our fuse has popped, I guess. We're Kalee and Senadin. We're an international couple from Bosnia-Herzegovina in the United States. We are passionate travelers who spent quarantine building our tiny home on wheels, and now we're on our way to visit all 50 states. Join our travels by subscribing and following our other socials. See you soon! On the way to Pictured Rocks, we don't have the pavement no more.
Yeah, we ran out of road, which this is a good preparation for Alaska. Oh, look at another hippie couple with their old Volkswagen. I like the way they strapped that, look. Now that should wake us up. This is some strong Bosnian coffee.
I thought you were gonna say strong woman because I was moving the chair.
That did line up. Boom. It's unbelievable how good equipped we are, huh? I don't like what I see. Lots of people. That was super cool. We're gonna try to get closer to it. Made it.
Sure did.
This pond comes around, making a little river, and it goes right into the ocean. I mean a lake. I gotta stop calling these big lakes and oceans. Well, looks like somebody didn't dock their boat properly. Slowly floating away. We'll see in the middle of the ocean, lake, and on the way back. There's Yuga waiting for us. Yeah, we just recently started doing this freezing bananas. Oh, the peel is sour. Yeah, so good. If you're watching this right now and have some bananas laying around your house, go put one in the freezer and take it out in about 2 hours and try.
No, you need to freeze it for like a day.
Back home again.
Oh, Rudy.
Got my favorite cook right here.
I can't.
My favorite food right here.
That was such a lie. Your mother is your favorite cook. Don't lie to me.
Well, at least I'm trying to be nice.
I hope you freaking enjoy it.
Why are you saying like that? I was just gonna say thank you, babe.
I burnt my finger because you're chicken.
Oh, you want me to kiss it?
No.
Here.
Well, that's the end of the Michigan trip. It was my favorite one. Our new adventure starts in Wisconsin, the home of the Green Bay Packers, cheese, and I had another fact, but now I forgot it.
Now come help me film this.
Why are we gonna talk about our plans? We don't have any. But you can go ahead.
What's your favorite thing about VanLife?
If we don't like somewhere, we can leave it.
That's kind of like my favorite thing. That's why I'm kind of disappointed. So I've really been thinking in the past like 5 hours, and I think we're gonna make it to North Carolina.
Oh, shut up. No, we can't. I feel like you're joking. Just
Do you want to see Zoe and Nanny and Mom and Dad?
I mean, yeah, but I feel like you're f***ing with me.
I'm not. Like, I'm
Sorry.
serious. We're not telling anybody.
Oh, we're gonna surprise them?
Yes. That's gonna be fun. But to see that, make sure to check out next video.
1 mile down. Now we're gonna go on a quick swim here in Sheboygan County.
What's up, guys? It's Sheboygan.
Also, look how cool this is. We got a gang of sprinters. Not a bad place to come swim. We'll see how cold the water is. That's hot. Swim and workout completed. Now it's on to the next beach.
Some days when we find a really cool spot, we just park up there and stay for 2, 3, 4, 5 days. And then some days we just kind of drive around and stop by places for a couple hours and explore something new pretty much every couple hours. Today is one of those days. Now when the cat is out of the bag that we are heading back to North Carolina, it will take 12 hours to get from here to North Carolina, but we're gonna take 2 hours per day. We got 5 states to pass through, and we're just gonna stop to each along the way and check out some interesting things. Lake Michigan just doesn't stop impressing me. Now this is on Wisconsin side. Euro Grill. Kaylee actually wants to order on her own. This is what she's gonna say.
Я хочу pečevapa I neču luk mulim.
Wow, you hear that? Bosnian. I don't know if some of you understand, but that was actually pretty good. No wonder we never film food, because Kaylee gets right to it.
Get excited.
Look at that guilty face.
Oh my goodness. I ate all of it. And I usually don't eat all of it. Cindy usually takes 1 or 2.
Just casually strolling to
Chicago.
even though we shouldn't.
He is a great driver under pressure and with lots of traffic. Oh my god, no hands, okay.
As you're saying, a great driver.
Like I said, my man takes us straight through the middle.
Take the next right onto East Wacker Drive. Continue on East Wacker Drive for 1 mile.
Goodbye, Chicago. It was fun strolling through you. Got anything? I mean, it's Indiana. We shouldn't freak out about doing nothing. Made it to Indiana so far. We have Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, and then North Carolina. Next 4 days.
Getting really close.
We gotta find a secluded place for a dirty task. We've got to clean our toilet. It is completely full. That's the mission for the day. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, we're not gonna get in a nitty-gritty. I will show you basically of what we do when we have to do this toilet cleaning. So we get some good quality gloves.
From Walmart.
One-time use, so they'll be in the trash after this. So first thing first, we're gonna get our toilet outside of the van. We just have to untwist 4 of these and the toilet is pretty much gonna be able to come up. Just pick it up.
And then run outside with it. Cause it's gonna be sticky.
As much as we want to show you, trust me, you want to skip this part. There you go, now just tighten it back up. It's good to go for another month. Not too bad for having convenience of a toilet. So if anybody asks us what did we do in Indiana, what are you gonna tell them?
Dumped our shit. And in Illinois, we got Chavapi the day before.
So we left the Chavapi from Illinois in Indiana. Alright, let's go. We have 3 more states and 4 more days to get to North Carolina.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we have made it into Kentucky. Staying in a Cabela's tonight.
So I just majorly messed up. I was cooking on the Instapot and I was frying some food on the stovetop, and I didn't realize that you couldn't do both at one time. Our fuse has popped, I guess. So now we're trying to figure out how to replace it. You can smell it.
It melted the plastic. Melted the insulation off the wire. A good thing I did a very cautious job on this electric. I literally fused every single thing, and that's what saved us this time.
Did they have it?
Yeah, they did.
Oh my god. And now the repair begins. Is it fixed?
I think so. Alright, go try it. Cook something, one thing.
But Senadin saved the day. Everyone tell Senadin he's a great guy. You're a great guy, Senny.
Okay, ass kisser. Doesn't the mist feel so good?
Yeah.
God, it smells so good and it's so hot. Yeah.
We have come across this beautiful little access beside the river, so why not utilize it and take a little swim?
In van life, lakes and rivers are your best friends. That's why we use every chance we get to go swimming. Here.
Swim!
But I was expecting any moment I was going like this, I was expecting a big rock to be like Guess what? Another day.
Another adventure.
Another swimming day. We are in Tennessee now. We have found this really cool tubing place. We're gonna be going down the little river in Tennessee near Pigeon Forge or Townsend. Alright, we'll switch to GoPro for this ride. You're not at the river. Where the heck are you at?
Oh, really though? Where are you?
We outside. Bye, Felicia. What a ride, huh? What did you think?
What a ride. It was not as like rapidy as I thought it was gonna be, but it was still a good time.
It's good for real light kids.
Yeah.
Because the tube will stay afloat, but anybody over 150 pounds, you're gonna get stuck on a bunch of rocks. One day, until we surprise Kaylee's family with showing up in their vacation home.
One more day.
Oh my gosh, she's been taking a little break here at the little Tennessee River. Kaylee's freaking out. She wants to get her watermelon cut open.
This one's good too.
Is it good?
Do you eat the seeds?
Do you not eat the seeds?
I eat the seeds so I can grow a watermelon.
Well, I got a feeling there's gonna be some watermelon seeds in our composting toilet.
Could you imagine?
We can grow.
There's a watermelon in it.
Yeah, we can grow our own watermelon. Just figure that out. That's like an infinite loop of the free watermelons. After this little break, we're gonna head on slowly to North Carolina, and we are taking the famous Dragon Tail Road. It's like one of the most dangerous roads in this area.
Are you having fun?
Hell yeah. This is like a video game, literally, but it's real life, so you gotta be more serious. You can't mess up.
Welcome to North Carolina!
Just like that, we are back in North Carolina. Who would have thought? But it is for the very good cause. Right now we stopped by the Lake Sentilach. Now we're walking down this trail trying to find like a secluded place to swim. How do you feel being back in NC, huh?
My home state. It's not the coast.
Never settle for less. Look what we found. Nobody. Very secluded area. Nice looking water. We've gotten so good with finding spots like these just for ourselves now. Let's enjoy it. And no sharks. Now this is one of the warmest waters I've ever swum in. Now I don't know if that's because I was swimming in Lake Michigan a week ago, or it's just because it's so warm.
The only bad thing about being here is that there was a rock and my toe found it. No.
One more day. One
more day. Like...
Alright, make sure you check out next video for the big surprise, and then after that we'll be on our way back around the US. I think we're heading to Alaska.
Alaska.
See ya.